This video is about a day sprinting at Curborough. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This video is about a sprinting day at Curborough organised by the Caterham Lotus 7 Club. The idea of the day was to get owners interested in sprinting, and wow, did it work? You'll have to watch the rest of the video to find out. Here we are arriving at Curborough, and we were already given pre-organised spaces. The day was really well organised by the club, and like any Caterham event, it was nice to meet new owners and also some subscribers from my YouTube channel, which was lovely. We had a quick briefing first, and then we were split into two groups. I first went to the scrutineering bay, where a driver and scrutineer talked about car standards and safety equipment. I was surprised how little fern would have to be changed to compete. It's not as expensive as I thought it would be either. Yes, you could spend a lot of money like most things, but just to get into sprinting, there isn't loads I would have to change or to buy really. After this, we went on a track walk with some sprinters, and then after that, it was time for our first run. My first run was with the sprinter as a passenger, and he also gave me some pointers at the end. I was very wary on my first run as I'd never driven it before, but it's a good run to show the corners. We start here at the start line. Then go round Paddock Bend, Woodside, the Molehill, Bradley Hairpin, and then the Shenstone Straight. Then Flagpole Corner, as we are doing the longer course. Then repeat Woodside. The Molehill. Bradley Hairpin. And then the Shenstone Straight to the finish line. The format of the rest of the day was to do another run and then lunch. After lunch to do some more runs, and then we could be a passenger with some sprinters in their cars. Unfortunately I didn't get any footage being a passenger with Chris, but I wish I had. Thank you very much Chris for the passenger ride, as it was brilliant and your car was lovely. Here is one of my runs. been to Curborough a few times to watch the Caterham Academy or the Speed Championship, and I've always thought it looked like fun. The main difference between a sprint course and a circuit is that, when you drive a sprint course, you're on your own. I knew that I would enjoy the day, but I enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would. I would love to race sometime, but sprinting, well, I've got the bug now, I think. Maybe I could enter the Speed Championship one day, we shall see. Here is my fastest run of the day. I did forget to put my visor down, so forgive me for that. I was too busy talking at the start line. I would like to say a big thank you to the Caterham Lotus 7 Club for organising the day, and also to everyone that gave up their free time for us to experience Curborough. I also got sent some footage from other people on the day, so thank you very much for that. It really helps me with making videos. Thanks to PurpleMeanie for letting me use some of your footage. I'll leave PurpleMeanie's YouTube channel linked in the description. I've also edited a video showing all of my runs on the day, which I will release next week. I was just going to do this for my records, but I thought it might be quite interesting for some people. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away, as you fade away.